Hello and thanks for watching. This video is to show you how to move your content over from a sandbox course that you created in the summer in a personal account over to your school district account. Here I'm in the Safari browser and this is my summer sandbox class. You can see that I've created some content that I want to use throughout the year in my school district account. And just to show you a contrast, my school district account has the Google Suite button and it has the apps of all the school resources. Back in my course that I want to export, I can go to Manage Classes and share the class from this menu over here. It helps. I can send myself an email, or I can post the invitation with this link and copy that and bring that over. We found that it's best practice if you completely log out of your account. You want to get a fresh start in the Chrome browser is where it seems to work best. You open a new tab and pasting the link. And it brings me to this shared resource page. I can see this is my course. It has my pages in it, and it's going to ask me to sign in. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. This is not the school district login page, but if I type my email address, it will take me to the school district login page. I want to create a new class with this. It will still be a sandbox course for me, although I could add it to an existing class such as science or English or math. I'm going to continue. And once this is done, I see my class is loading up here. It's called the Summer 2018 Sandbox class. And what you'll notice at the top of the page is that there's some content import in progress. This will not be instantaneous. You should expect that it'll take a little bit of time for this content to show up. One quick caution is that when you go to look in classes, if it doesn't show up right away, you need to be careful to not just look in inactive classes, but also look at all of the possible classes, because these classes do not have a set start and end date, and so they may not fall under a particular school year. So be sure you use that drop-down menu. We'll wait for a little while and that content will show up, and I'll be able to start moving this around into my other classes. Thanks for watching.